Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we have an important update from Apple for the iPhone, and this is related to anybody running iOS 17.5. I made a video a couple days ago about the major bug we have in iOS 17.5 where photos were showing up after they were deleted, so you could delete them from your device, you could wipe your device, and the photos may return. And I did hear some cases of this happening on devices that had been wiped and sold, but a lot of the cases were just people that deleted photos and then noticed that they were reappearing on their phone. And this was related to a issue where photos had a database corruption and could reappear in the Photos library. Now this issue with the stuff reappearing only affected Photos in the Photos app. It didn't affect any other data on the device. So Apple did release an update already. It is 316 megabytes here on my iPhone 15 Pro Max, and it is iOS 17.5.1. So just a quick announcement on what this is for. If you see iOS 17.5.1 pop up on your device, you should update to it immediately. It fixes that major bug, which could be a security risk for people with sensitive photos on their device. If you're selling your device, you don't want things to be popping back up after you sell it. So if you're going to be selling an iOS device, make sure you update to iOS 17.5.1 before you wipe it and sell it, or before you delete any photos or anything like that, just to fix this issue and prevent anything from popping back up after your device is in somebody else's hands, or if you want to delete something, you want to make sure it's actually deleted. You're not going to want it popping up back in the future. So make sure we do go ahead and update to iOS 17.5.1 to fix that issue. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.